done.
That was a good. Oh!
You didn't say that fast!
No!
He stepped out! Why is she so aggressive? You
Bad loser.
This is a Halloween sweet challenge, and the aim of the game is quite simply to collect sweets in this. We're not allowed to touch the bottom. Have to hold it from the top. Not allowed to step out of here. There will be 20 sweets thrown, and I think I've covered it all.
I think that was good.
3, 2,
Okay.
1, go.
Wait, you're going very fast! No, I can't go that fast! You didn't say that fast! Also when the green... Ah! No, you didn't say that fast! And you can't see for the lights! You can't see for the lights, guys!
Oh, no!
You can't see for the lights!
Oh! Is that it?
What the
How many?
No! 1, 2, 3, 4...
No, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7!
7 to beat.
Knocking them away.
Oh, well done.
Oh, that was a good pass.
Oh!
Oh, yeah. Oh!
Can't have that. No. Do you think you should have it?
I think if it hasn't hit the ground, it can still
But
go
then
in your pocket.
I didn't do that with my t-shirt because you guys went, oh, it's over, and I just put it down. 7. No, you didn't because you weren't allowed that.
There's 6. But I did get 7.
You did. Why is she so aggressive?
So I've got 7 to beat, but really I've just got 6 to beat. It's only about beating Jodie.
Wow. Well done. Did you win?
There we go, here's the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
No.
7.
No.
Hey!
He stepped out. He stepped out. He stepped.
No,
He stepped
no. Bad loser, bad loser.
She said keep an eye on the box.
No, never seen it, never seen it.
He stepped out.